Hey lovelies. Jasmine Locs today, so I just wanted to show you what those look like and also talk about another method for installing Jasmine Locs. So first of all, let's look at these freshly installed thin size locks. They are 12 inches. Don't mind this one's loose because I'm going to use it for our demonstration. But these are 12 inches and I have 40 of them in. See. As you can see, they're very malleable, pretty soft. Can move them around even though they were just installed today. Put them in a bun, put them in a ponytail, whatever. Very, very easy. So let's get into how to this alternate way of installing Jasmine Locs. So we have a video on just a regular installation method, which involves starting a plait and then using a crochet hook to attach the Jasmine Loc. But I got the question several times, can these be installed over natural locks, like your own hair is locked and you want to install Jasmine Locs over them for a temporary change in your look? And the answer is yes. So I'm using this plait as an example, and basically what I'm going to do is guide my plait through this Jasmine Loc and then use the wrapping hair to hold it in place rather than the plait to hold it in place. Okay. You'll also notice that my hair is longer than the lock here, just about the same length. So I'm going to double the plait over and pull it through the Jasmine Loc. So first, we got the hook, and we're going to start by just guiding the hook through the lock. I still have the string attached on the end just to make it easier for when I get to the point where I'm using the wrapping hair to go through the lock. And it also is easy to just pull on it to pull the lock through, to pull my hair through the lock rather. And there it is. That was really simple. It slid right on there. And now I have the hair doubled over and sticking out of the Jasmine Loc right here. I'll show you what I mean. I'm weaving up through the top of the Jasmine Loc again, or through the bottom of the Jasmine Loc to get closer to the top. Coming out where the plait is, and if I just grab the plait and it's hooked on there like this, obviously I can't pull that through. The plait has to be not attached at all, just held by this latch and then pull through. I'm going to pull on it so that it's exactly where I want it to be, and that is how you can get a lock, a natural lock, into a Jasmine Loc. Now I want to secure this. I want to secure this so it doesn't slip. I'm going to do that by using the wrapping hair. Here's my wrapping hair all fluffed. I had another piece around here somewhere. I wonder where that got off to. But anyways, I'm going to use this wrapping hair, hook it onto the crochet hook just as I normally would after I slide it through. First, I'm going to slide it through the lock where the string is. That's why it's helpful to have the string there. I can more easily see where that is and what I'm doing. Now that I've got it on the crochet hook, I'm just going to pull the string off. And now I'm also going to go through what would be new growth if my hair was locked. Okay, take the wrapping hair, pull it through my new growth, pull it through the Jasmine lock. And so that's gonna stop the lock from slipping down. It's attached through the top of the Jasmine lock, and it's attached through the top of my natural hair. I got one end that's a little shorter, one end is longer, because from here I'm just gonna wrap it just like I normally would. Keep smelling my hair, it smells so good. I put Inspired Naturals Midnight Blooming Jasmine on my ends, and everywhere I turn my hair I get a waft, and it smells so good. Alright, that is it. You can see that it looks just like the other ones that I installed using the other method, so there's no difference in the way it looks. There won't be any difference in the way that, well, there'll be a slight difference in the way that I take it down. That one is gonna have one less step, quite frankly. So for this method, all I'm gonna do is find the plait at the top and pull it out and unwrap the wrapping hair, and that's it. So pretty easy to take it down. Okay, so there you are. The thin size Jasmine Locs are in stock in our Etsy shop. We also have, that's our smallest size. This is our smallest size. We also have medium and thick and 12-inch. In 18-inch, we have a size that's small, so it's kind of intermediate between these thin ones and the medium. So check it out. And if you have questions, please message me. If you have comments, please leave your comments. And if you leave a question in the comments, I will absolutely answer you that way too. All right, bye lovelies.